I love birds and the celery bog. I've always said if I had anything to do with it, celery bog would go all the way to Klondike Road if I could make it that way. It's such a great place. And the cool weather will be very favorable for birds to migrate. Also, a lot of times when you get very low water levels and mud, all those migrating birds that eat the worms and the snails out of that mud, especially like sandpipers, some shorebirds, they like to probe through that mud and pick up insects and whatnot. So some of these low lake levels, low creek levels can be of some benefit to wildlife around. The moderate drought is still ongoing up here in our northeastern counties. Right here, the rest of the area is considered abnormally dry. Note where the rain fell last night as well as part of today. And you can see a lot of the area where you don't have any color, that's less than a tenth of an inch. Where you have color, that is more than a tenth of an inch. But this band right here, across the heart of Tippecanoe County, then all the way up towards Logansport, this is the area that had the greatest amount of rainfall. We had up to 1.5 inches near areas just south of Yeoman, around Springboro and Pittsburgh, northwest of Delphi, and around Buck Creek. And some parts of the greater Lafayette area had 1/2 inch of rain, but most places saw less than 2/10. We got a few little spotty showers coming in from the northwest. You can see the clouds bubbling up. That's cold air loft. And with that cold air loft, we're bubbling up a few of these. These will hold together for a little while this evening, then dissipate as the sun sets. And that sunset will be at 7:33. 55 by 11 o'clock with a light west wind. 7:42 sunrise tomorrow morning. And with that, little patchy fog in some places around with a very light west wind, but mid-40s. How about that for lows? You can see upstream more cold air loft with the upper low. So for several afternoons, we're going to have a few little spotty showers and thunder showers around, while the major storm here near Alaska promotes a very deep trough here, and that means a big ridge in the west with record heat and fire danger. It means a trough diving southward in our area, which means cooler weather. And with that cooler weather, cold air aloft as well, like we were saying. This is tomorrow afternoon. A few spotty showers, thunder showers coming in. A few more on Wednesday. Most of the mornings will start out mostly sunny, and the clouds bubble up in the heating of the afternoon. And a couple of showers on Thursday. And then after that, a little clipper comes in with a few showers and storms on Sunday. And then eventually some of this heat in the west will begin to move eastward and we'll warm up. Highest tomorrow, 66, that is, after 45 in the morning. A couple spotty showers, thunder showers later on in the day. 62 to 66 will do it for highs. Viewing area wide and rather windy. A windy Wednesday, too. Winds gusting more than 30 miles an hour. A few scattered showers and storms later on in the day. 71 for the high after 49 in the morning. And there you see the highs on Wednesday at 66 to 73. Warmest readings in the southern half of our viewing area. 7-day forecast, couple isolated showers, 64 Thursday. Have a little patchy frost early on Saturday morning, and then a high of 68 on Sunday.